Students don't always struggle because content is difficult. Sometimes too much information arrives at once. That's where a micro-lesson helps. A micro-lesson teaches one concept in about a minute using one explanation, one example, and one quick check for understanding. Think of it like teaching one Lego piece, not the whole castle. Instead of a 20-minute lecture on fractions, a teacher might spend 60 seconds showing why 1/2 equals 2/4, then ask students to solve one matching problem. This works because attention and working memory are limited. In long lectures, ideas pile up faster than students can process them. A focused lesson reduces cognitive overload and makes the key idea easier to remember. The worksheet matters too. If the video teaches commas in a list, the worksheet should practice only commas in a list. That immediate retrieval practice turns exposure into memory. Start small tomorrow. One concept, 1 minute, one worksheet.